Hi, here we are again, and now we've got to figure out this concept quasi-contract. As you can see from the slide I gave you, it looks like it'd be really easy to understand what she said, but she uses a lot of Latin and a lot of things that you'd say, huh, what is she talking about? Well, the things to remember, and play it again because it's only a 2-minute video, but the things to remember is a quasi-contract is something where there is no contract because either it's missing one of the elements, maybe we don't have all the elements for an offer, we don't have all the elements for acceptance or consideration, maybe there is no consideration, uh, or maybe someone doesn't have capacity. There can be all sorts of things where there is no contract. But what quasi contracts do is it allows the court to create a fictional contract, something that's not real, and award a remedy for someone who was unjustly enriched. So, for instance, the example with the pizza, there's one video on there where you order pizza, someone brings the pizza to your house, and you take the box and you say, "Thank you very much. That was delicious," and slam the door in their face. That they would say maybe there wasn't a real contract. Maybe when you called, you were underage, you weren't 18 years old. And so that would be something where they could take you to court and say it was not a real contract, but there's unjust enrichment. One side is being enriched and the other side is not. So the example here is someone gets a pizza where they get it for free and it wasn't meant to be a gift. So hopefully this will help you understand a little more what the video is saying. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much. Have a great day.